Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again on this. Hey, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward fam, King Mix Up, it's not credible, and you don't know the things that people bless upon yourself on the Friday, you know. But we're here for deal with people business, and that's what we're here for. People, it's on and popping. Spice, Rasta, Justin, it's our baby father, Nicholas. And on top of that, people, he involves Spice's daughter, Nika Lokotai. You see me, I say? Yo, stick around. Just stick around to hear what I gotta say about this situation. You feel me? Also, dancehall Queen Spice contributes to Pretty being the latest ambassador for Loud Fashion. It's a good look, you know. Pick up yourself, Pretty, and TC. You know what I mean? Yeah. And people, Alkaline finally admits that he's sick. Remember, said we broke the story the other day that he was sick. You know what I mean? And then we broke the story, said that his baby mother confirmed that he has an illness. You feel what I'm saying? And that's why I'm the look mash up. But you know, young lad, them always capitalize off of these things and things. So we'll get into what he has to say. And I'm pretty sure by now y'all heard that Beenie Man's brother was, boom up. But you know those rumors are false. But you didn't hear my commentary on this. And people, I'm seeing something that when I now see with Beenie Man, you know. And just like with Spice thing, and I have to wait to the end. You don't know the things that people. Let's get into this. You know, it's definitely been a good week for Pretty and TC. I'm not gonna lie to them. You know, I feel so happy for them. You know what I mean? They're finally getting their shine. And this is no diss towards Spice, you know, but people, let us big up Spice for really contributing to these girls' careers that they have on their own now. You know what I mean? Yes, because a lot of people is saying, oh, Spice was holding them back. Nah, people, Spice wasn't holding these people back. You feel what I'm saying? Nothing that happened before its time. Anyway, Pretty said thank you for the small talks and encouraging convos. From shopping at your store to becoming the lead ambassador for it. I can say I am happy to be a part of your team at Load Fashion. And Loud Fashion responded, we are pleased to announce our newest ambassador, Pretty Official. Look out for some great collaborations from us as we are set to launch an exciting marketing campaign. We have great things in store for the remainder of the 2021 as we approach our 10th anniversary with customer satisfaction behind our main focus. Welcome to the Load family, Tashika. We are happy to have you. And I'll be a hashtags and all of these things. Like I said, people, it's a good look because Pretty and TC get other Rasclad deals signed too, you know what I mean? And Pretty said this, it's official, we are signed to Stay Golden Cosmetics. Make sure you watch the season finale this Sunday on Kingston Signals official Downzone Entertainment. $1 King Mix Up is the cash app for all of this free advertisement. You see me? I say? And before we go on to the next story, Mrs. Batty Washer one dancing shitty pebbles, shitting at them blood clot mouth. Listen me, I never this pretty or TC. In fact, pretty and TC follow me on Instagram. Yeah. Say something to me now. You see what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. Me never know said dancing shitty pebble was the whole fucking team. You know what I'm saying? Listen, me now make no dirty, ungrateful, stinking girl like she come and style me up. And I don't gotta tell you the reason why me I decide. You feel what I'm saying? Wanna stop following me up a blood clot.
People, we woke up to a call say, my brother get almost gunshot and them thing there. Them thing there, not right, man. Let's stop spread rumor and win, man. That's how no one say we dead, like, seriously. God, no. Brother, run at me out. Zin, blessings, my lad, Rasta beloved. Not like that now. Good? Blessings.
Sim Simma, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? Hey, Beenie, me don't know how you make love to a man in a rush. People, people, people. Obviously, Beanie Man has an album coming out that he is trying to stir up controversy leading up to the release date. I mean, why else would he be asking about, you know, if you ever go in a car with Chichi Man and all of these things? Why would he be asking these questions about if una nyam punani pie and all of these things? You know, what kind of questioning the Ras are going with? Because the people them say the Ras and the Ras, the people them say the Ras are dread or rascal. So that's what it is, people. You know what I mean? Everything is controversy nowadays, you know? You know, these people are not like Beyonce and just can drop a project and boom. So, people, let's make some predictions. Put in the comment section what do you think Beanie Man is going to come up with next to stay trending on social media. 'Cause I know for sure he's dropping an album. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, let's proceed. Now, Vendetta people know say when it forward to Alkaline, King Mix Up is very credible, you know? Put in the comment section, did you know Alkaline and Popcorn was digging out Skilly Bang's mom? Allegedly. Me just like I put the allegedly in there, eh? Una never did know that. Go check the video that I dropped. Alkaline and Popcorn fighting over Skilly Bang mom. You know what I mean? That's why Alkaline say, yo, papi, she put her body in your face and shit and poop and all them thing then in the microwave, you know? We was the first one to tell you that Alkaline has two baby mothers. One of them dashed with a pitney, you know? Because she never know young Lord was gonna become a star, you feel me? People, we also told you Alkaline was sick. Yes. Una see the picture surface and all of these things. But Una just thought this nigga was hooked on lean and smoking a whole bunch of ganja. You know, probably living off a Miami diet. That white hyena hoping that your nose hyena. You see, man, I say, to make the man look like him says a skeleton. But no, Alkaline has some issues, you know, and his baby mother confirmed it that, yo, this nigga is sick, you know what I mean? And Alkaline is capitalizing off of it. Yes, people. He dropped a video, I think today, called Medicine. And you know, he said that he was sick and him need the medicine. You feel what I'm saying? Obviously, he's not going to tell the world his health issues. But you have to read between the lines. Isn't it a coincidence that the picture dropped with him looking like a crackhead fiend? You know what I mean? And then him drop this. You see me I say so. You know, I forgive Blind Boy a little credit for being smart. After all, him say him want to be rocket scientist. You see me I say. And him turn dancehall artist. You see it. So just giving that quick update with the Blind Boy. Boy, people. I don't know how you're gonna look at the Rasta man after what he said to Spice's daughter, you know? People, this is a direct diss to Nicholas. Yes, Spice baby father. Wow, it's crazy. But I think I know the reason why Justin said what he said, you know? And maybe y'all shouldn't take it as a diss, but maybe y'all should read between the black lines. Yes. You see, people, the other day I broke the story that Spice initiated proceedings in family court to get a paternity test done on both her children with Nicholas. And filing for full custody. Nicholas thought it was a big joke and something for love and hip hop, but I sent him the documents through a mutual friend, and let him know, Nicholas, well, this is real. I probably made a mistake saying that you were served the papers already, but, this is real. So, you know what I mean? Finding out that you have to go to court from a vlogger on social media, it's not too pleasing. You feel me? So I could imagine he was furious, allegedly. I'm just hypothetically speaking. If I was in his position, I found out like, yo, I gotta go to family court, and I find out through social media. I said, but I must want to call Gracie or somebody around her to see what's going on, and fire off a few shots. You feel me? But people, fast forward to today. Yo, me get that thing in my DM that led me to Justin's story, B. And I'm gonna give you the reason why maybe y'all shouldn't be mad at Justin, just to play devil's advocate a little bit. But check a look at his story. He said, I'm not the stepfather. I'm the father that stepped up at Toya Nico Langal. You see me, I say? And as you can see, it goes straight to Toya's page. So, people, I'm thinking maybe the paternity results came back and Nicholas was the father of Nicholas Jr. And maybe it turned out to be that he's not the father of Spice's daughter. That's just me speculating off of what the Russ posted in his story. You feel me? Make sure the notification bell on, cause YouTube is unnotifying people. You see me? All if you subscribe to me already, you better go check. And if you don't hit the like button already, you better do so. Trying to get 1,000 of them thanks. You feel me? Yeah, if you want the latest and dance all news, music, reviews, and gossips, please.